Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play Message in a Bottle by the Police on acoustic guitar, strumming chords. Now Andy Summers does not strum chords in this song. He picks notes, and he picks them something like this. That's just too hard for acoustic guitar. So we're going to just strum some chords. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key is C sharp minor. Our first four chords are going to be C sharp minor 7, A, B, and F sharp minor 7. Here's how we're going to make those shapes. C sharp minor 7 will be made this way. We're going to bar from the A string down at fret 4, bring a finger into the B string, fret 5, and the D string, fret 6, strumming from the A string. We'll play a conventional A chord like this, just holding down the D, G, and B string at fret 2, strumming from the A string. A B major chord by putting a finger on the 2nd fret on the A string and barring from the D string down to the B string. We want to try not to play that high E string, but if it gets played, it's okay. It'll sound like that. But we want this. We'll need an F sharp minor 7, and we'll play that by borrowing from the D string down at fret 2. We'll put our thumb on the low E string at fret 2, and we're sandwiching that A string in between there and muting it for that. Now you can also play that by just holding down these strings from the D string down at fret 2, but not playing the low string like that. You can shortcut it that way. Or you can bar all the way across and put a finger on the 4th fret on the A string. That's your alternatives for playing that F sharp minor 7. Now later we'll need a D chord, just a regular old D chord, and an E chord. Okay? So those are all the chords that we're going to need. So let's get started. For the verses, we'll strum C sharp minor 7, A, B, and F sharp minor 7. And we'll strum it this way. As far as the strumming goes, we're starting with the C sharp minor 7 and going down, up on the A, B, up, and on the F sharp minor 7, up. So basically you're hitting the high strings first, like that. That's why I say you can get away with just playing those 4 strings from the D string down. Just play this. If you can't do that thumb thing, or you can't do this bar. Okay, so here it is again. We'll start with our C sharp minor 7, and we'll play down, up, like that. Then we'll go to the A chord and go up. The B chord, up, and then the F sharp minor 7 up, down, like that. So it's that'll get us through the verses. Next, we'll play the pre-chorus. And for the pre-chorus, we're going to play an A chord, D chord, and an E chord. That's the first part of the pre-chorus. We'll play it like this. And that was down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down. And that part goes like this. I'll send an SOS to the world. I'll send an SOS. And the second half of the pre-chorus, we'll play an F sharp minor 7, that's F sharp minor 7 to a D. So that's down, up, 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 down, down, up, up, down. And that was I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. And after that, we'll go to the chorus. And for the chorus, we'll strum C sharp minor 7, A. Just one down strum each. Message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle. And then F sharp minor 7. And then we'll start the entire thing over. So that's message in a bottle. Message in a bottle. Start it over. One, two, three. The castaway, night and lost at sea. Oh, another lonely day with no one here but me. Oh, more loneliness than any man could bear. Rescue me before I fall into despair. Oh, I send an SOS to the world. I send an SOS. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets my message in a bottle, yeah. Message in a bottle, yeah. Now, since all the parts are repeated, that's all you need to know in order to play Message in a Bottle by the Police on acoustic guitar, strumming chords. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day. 1, 2, 3, 4.